Guys, welcome back to another weekly apartment update. Today we are going furniture shopping and I'm going to take you guys through the whole day. We are leaving right now to go to Long Island. There are some outlet stores. Riverhead is the town that is on Long Island, but they have Crate and Barrel, they have West Elm, they have Restoration Hardware, they have all of the good stores, and we have gotten furniture from this outlet mall before, many times. They have amazing stuff. So we are making the trip out there today and I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm gonna bring you guys through our whole day and show you everything that we find. We made a whole list, room by room, of what we need and what we're looking for. So go check out the vlog before this one to basically get a whole update of what our apartment looks like currently. And today I'm gonna show you guys all the pieces that we find. We woke up early, we got the day started, and I am so excited to bring you guys along today and hopefully we find some good things. So let's head there now. Almost 2 hours later and we made it. We're gonna start at Serena Lily. I think it's a new addition to the outlet mall. I'm not sure, but I've never seen it before. So we're gonna check it out and I'm just gonna bring you guys along to each store. And if we find anything, I will definitely let you guys know. We're now at Crate and Barrel and I'm obsessed with these chairs, but a lot of them are damaged and I think that this would be so cute, just two of them for our dining table and the banquette, but I'm gonna keep looking. We are getting a smaller haul, no furniture, but more like little things. So we're getting a nice little haul that I'm gonna show you guys. I also like this green one, but there's only one. It's a little bit lighter, and I'm just really into the velvet right now, and I think it'd be a cute little pop of color in our living room. Testing out some chairs. We also really like these, but I really want a pop of color. These chairs are cool, not the pink ones. Like that chair right there, I need two of her, or two of this one. Ooh. I guess it's not meant to be. It's okay. These are really nice though. And I like the brown wood right here. Which ones are your favorite? Do you like the green? Or do you like the white ones? Also, I feel like we might get these too dirty. Well, I guess they're like speckled. I don't know, I feel like I'm trying to force it and that's not a good thing. The velvet looks so smooth. But if you can see, like, it's damaged on the arm right here and in the back, sadly, right there. Here's all the little stuff that we're gonna get. We're gonna get clips, some storage stuff, a cutting board, these cute bowls for fruit. Oops. And then I thought that these would be cool for just little ring dishes for like the kitchen, the second bathroom, and then my bathroom I can just replace this and put the other dish back. So this is our haul at Crate and Barrel so far. Okay guys, a little shopping update. So we just left, it's Crate and Barrel / CB2, and they had a lot of good things. As I showed you guys, like we really wanted these dining chairs. We went to Serena and Lily before this and I found so many things. Like I took a photo and we were like, we feel so overwhelmed because there's so much good stuff in this store. Like we have to come back. Let us check out Crate and Barrel first and like West Elm and all of those stores before we just go buy everything from Serena and Lily. I'm gonna bring you guys back to the store. I took a photo of a ton of good stuff in the store, so I'm gonna show you guys what we end up purchasing, but we found these amazing light fixtures. I was thinking either the bedroom or the living room, like this would be perfect for. It'd be so fun. And we looked on the Serena and Lily website and they're still on there. We're gonna go to West Elm and I think that's gonna be the last store in this outlet before we go and buy things. And I think there's Sonoma and probably Pottery Barn. I think they're all in like a little strip together. So those are the next stores and I will let you guys know if there's anything good. West Elm, Sonoma. Let's go find some dining chairs. We're at Sonoma and we're eyeing this desk. I think we might pull the trigger on it. And then I would just love to change the handles because I don't love this acrylic, but nice large drawers. And I had to change to my phone because my camera's driving me nuts. It is, I don't know, I'm having some issues with it. It just like keeps turning off. But anyways, I'm loving this, and I do remember that we sat in a desk chair today, and I cannot remember what store it was at, but I loved it. And I literally can't remember where I sat in it, but I feel like it would have been perfect with this desk. But I think we're gonna go back to Serena and Lily, pull some trigger on some things, and then if there's not a desk that we like there, then we're just gonna come back here and then get this guy. Okay, we're back at Serena and Lily. We're gonna get this light. We're thinking about this one in the master bedroom. I feel like it's really homey and kind of antique looking. I'm obsessed with this whole shelving unit, but I just feel like we need to focus on like a bed in the in the secondary bedroom before we add all of this and like the desk that I just showed y'all. We need to focus on putting a bed in that space first, making sure that fits, and then we can figure out what size desk that we'll be able to put in there. But I am obsessed with this. I kind of want it for our room too, but then we won't be able to put a TV up. So it's kind of like thinking about all that stuff today while we're furniture shopping. And then I'm really excited about this one. We're gonna do this light in the living room, and I think it's so pretty. So someone cut this.
Yeah, you see how that one here, that's unadjusted. This is already adjusted.
Okay.
So usually Matthew.
So this is the length that it has to be.
Matthew, like how high do you want it? And he caps it. And he got it.
Okay.
We can do this and not have to think about that issue.
Right. Just in case. Because I feel like I don't want it to be too low, but at the same time, like I don't know off the top of my head.
This one also, I like that this is capped here and that's open. You see it? You see how the wire, so this Matthew screws in, Matthew has to put that, attach it to the electric.
Yeah.
In the ceiling. Mm-hmm. This is capped, so he's,
okay.
It's a little safer.
I agree.
Agreed.
Okay.
First time Serena and Lily purchased.
Yay! For the living room, it looks so good. I'm so excited. Okay, we didn't end up getting the other chandelier for the master because I was trying to show you guys that someone had cut the wires, so it has to be specifically that length. And off the top of our heads, we just don't know if it's gonna work and we don't wanna gamble it. So we're just gonna wait on that, but we did get the living room chandelier, which is so exciting. And I think we're gonna like hop around, go to HomeGoods, just see like if they have like little things. We're still looking for a nightstand and a dining table that we need. So let's go see if they have anything good. But I think we're gonna head out from this outlet area and hit up the other like HomeGoods and what else is over there, like maybe Marshalls and things like that on the other side. All right, we're at Homesense and we are eyeing this rug for our master bedroom. I really wanted one from Lulu and Georgia, but I feel like this is kind of giving Lulu and Georgia vibes. I kind of love it, and I love the green, and our duvet color is like a mushroom brown, and so I just feel like the browns, the taupes, the greens are gonna go very well together. And I kind of love it. What do you think?
I love it. I think it's gonna make the room really warm.
I agree. Also, the reason I keep saying master bedroom is because I'm from Texas. That's what we say, but I know I'm supposed to say primary, but it's just a habit. So that rug is for the primary bedroom. We're also gonna get this mirror from HomeGoods. You guys know I'm obsessed with these little ball details. I don't know what this style is called, but this is perfect for our primary bedroom and has a really pretty arch, and I think it's perfect. All right, guys, we got the haul in the back. We're all exhausted. Hudson's like gonna pass out any minute now, but we only got the mirror. We didn't get the rug because we didn't think that the rug was gonna fit in the car, and the mirror barely fit. Like we had to push down the trunk to make it all fit, and then all of this is just on top of the mirror. So hopefully we don't go over any rough bumps and we get it all home safely. But this is the haul for today. Not a lot of furniture pieces, but I mean, we did get a mirror, we got the chandelier, so very important pieces still. But I am going to start another vlog tomorrow and continue with the apartment updates. I also got some things in the mail. We got one furniture piece, so I can't wait to put everything up around the apartment and give you guys a full update. So subscribe, follow along. But thank you guys so much for following along today with our furniture shopping, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If there are any vlogs that you want me to film or you have any suggestions, definitely let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.